So the Bullet series are with fitness and downwinding in mind. Initially, the Bullet only came in one size. It was the 17 foot 4 inches. But I had so many requests to make something a little bit more easier to carry around, handle. So I came out with a 14 footer. This year we come out with a 14 foot second generation, which is really well received. And the 12.6 is available, and now an 11 as well. These are really fun, versatile boards. If you have one board to choose that you can surf with, downwind with, or for fitness early morning in the harbor, flat water, this is the board. When I made this board, I really wanted to deviate from your typical big longboard shape. I wanted to build an SUP board, not looking like a surfboard, not looking like a canoe, just functioning like an SUP board. They have a slight single concave on the bottom, give you the optimum side stability. They give you control when you do get on a bump and glide. The longer sizes, the 14 and the 17, come with steering, optional. The 14 and the 12.6 are available in a economic TWC construction. The other ones are in a single carbon composite lightweight construction.